What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today it's just gonna be a quick little video getting some maintenance done to my cars. My 335 is due for an oil change, so going to be doing a quick little oil change, cleaning out the engine bay as well. It gets pretty dusty in there, so I need to clean that out. And then also probably gonna be washing my truck because I park it underneath a tree and there's a ton of birds that just like to sit in that tree. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, they like to go to the bathroom on my truck. My paint is already pretty bad on there, but I don't wanna make it worse with bird droppings on my paint. So definitely gonna be washing that today. Quick little video, trying to continue my daily upload streak. So hopefully you guys will be able to sit back and enjoy this quick little montage-y type of video. Most of you probably already know how to do an oil change, so I have a how-to video on that already. So if you guys wanted to see a how-to video on an oil change for an F3335, I already have one, so I'll go ahead and leave that linked somewhere. Go ahead, get started on this oil change. So we just finished up the oil change, so now it's time to go ahead and clean out the engine bay. I don't know if the lighting's that good, but it's really dusty in here. I just need to do like a maintenance, like cleaning in here, so that doesn't get too crazy. Gonna go ahead and get started on using that, and I'll show you guys the products I use for that. Alrighty guys, so we got the engine bay all nice and clean. It's looking pristine in here. I'm super happy with it. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and wash the truck now. So it's really hot right now, really sunny, so I'm gonna do it in a few hours. So I will catch up with you guys once we are ready to wash the truck. Alrighty guys, so it is a few hours later now. It's a good time to wash the car because it's not direct sunlight anymore. So let's go ahead, pull up the truck, start washing this thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but from the inside, there's all these like bird droppings, and it's just, so this is more of like a maintenance wash for the truck. So let's go ahead, pull it up. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoy this quick little video. Like I said, just trying to keep up on those daily uploads for you guys. Trying my best to come up with new content. So if you guys have any ideas for any videos that you guys might want to see, drop it down in the comments down below and I'll try my best to make them. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below, guys. It would really help me out. I would greatly appreciate it. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I'll go ahead and leave my Instagram right over here. And without further ado, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.
Boom, boom.